Welcome to Mastering Teams Governance and Lifecycle Management. Recalculate your digital roadmap with Nano the Caterpillar, and let's turn that chaos into a balanced, secure, digital city. In this course, we are mapping your data storage secrets, enforcing strict order with naming policies, and controlling the entire update pipeline flow. We will decide when to irretrievably delete versus when to securely archive. Finally, I'll show you how to use the PowerShell Magic Wand and the Access Reviews Digital Bouncer for advanced automation. Watch this entire course to build your roadmap and reach your mature governance goal. Think of governance as essential town planning preventing digital chaos. Admins master either the visual graphical admin center cockpit or the automated speed of PowerShell to enforce organizational rules. Next, navigate the different Entra ID tiers of club access passes, ranging from standard to advanced, to join the licensing club, activating crucial features like lifecycle workflows and the automated bouncer of access reviews. Finally, explore digital cartography. Do not be confused. Teams is an aggregation layer, not a single giant hard drive. Text chat logs hide and exchange online mailboxes. Private chats and whiteboards drop into OneDrive, while all channel files and recordings navigate straight to the dedicated SharePoint site. Quickly dropping new features can disrupt your business. The solution is creating a controlled deployment pipeline using update policies, testing with small tech groups before the full company release. Administrators can lock public preview out, let users choose flexibly, or enforce it for everyone universally using the admin center or PowerShell. Once opt-in is permitted, the end-user action is simple. Go to Profile Settings, click About Teams, and check the Public Preview box. For a deeper dive, choose your organization's risk tolerance for Microsoft 365 Insider channels, balancing the unstable bleeding edge of the beta channel against the smoother ride of current channel preview for business advocates. Stop digital sprawl from turning your digital world into a graveyard of Sarah's forgotten party planning teams. Left unchecked, your digital workspace rapidly deteriorates. We combat this clutter with a three-pronged governance plan. First, limit group creation right. By default, everyone creates, but administrators flip the switch to a dedicated security group. This forces general users to submit an internal ticket for verification. Second, enforce order via naming policies. Avoid arbitrary names causing confusion. Instead, use a prefix and suffix formula combining fixed strings and dynamic attributes to instantly identify any team's purpose. Finally, automate expiration policies using a lifecycle countdown. Flag inactive teams for deletion following ample owner notifications, keeping only the active teams auto-renewing. Build a tightly managed digital world today. Every project comes to an end, and deciding what to do with a team's digital remains is critical for both security and compliance. Archiving is like placing a physical folder in digital cold storage. It turns the environment strictly read-only, cleans up the active interface, and preserves valuable history. Best of all, it's completely reversible. Deletion, however, is an extreme, permanent digital paper shredder. Triggering this massive destructive chain reaction wipes out your shared workspace, collaboration library, execution boards, and knowledge base. If an accidental deletion occurs, don't use the Teams admin center trap. There is no undelete button there. The secret is logging into the master Microsoft 365 admin center to restore the soft deleted underlying M365 group backbone. Restoring this triggers an ecosystem reconstruction. While the visual shell returns quickly, practice patience as deep background synchronization can require up to 24 hours. As organizations grow, achieving scalable control is essential. Use policy packages to bundle multiple discrete policies for efficient group assignment. Pre-built safety bubbles exist for education, but custom packages require premium licensing. Next, implement Microsoft Entra Access Reviews as your automated digital bouncer. Team owners verify guest access via email, instantly denying removal or approving continued collaboration. Finally, master PowerShell, the command line magic wand, to rapidly provision, manage, and enforce automated compliance freezing. Combined organizations build efficient provisioning engines for mature, secure governance that operates without constant manual human effort. Throughout this course, we set out to master the Microsoft Teams ecosystem. We established governance foundations, learned where critical data was stored between SharePoint and OneDrive, and identified key licensing tiers. To beat digital sprawl, we restricted creation rights, built dynamic naming policies, and blocked confusing identifiers. We managed the flow of updates using controlled deployment pipelines based on risk tolerance. We also handled the full lifecycle, deciding when to archive teams in read-only cold storage versus when to trigger the destructive chain reaction of deletion. Finally, we unlocked advanced mastery with policy packages, automated browser access reviews, and the PowerShell magic wand, achieving balanced, efficient, and secure digital cities.